Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad with Greek yogurt. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 4 to 5 different types of fresh, ripe fruits, such as berries, melon, and grapes. Also, have on hand 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup, and the juice of 1/2 of a lemon. These simple components will create a delicious and healthy treat. Now, let's prepare our fruits. Begin by washing everything thoroughly under cool water. Next, peel any fruits that require it, like bananas or oranges. Then, carefully cut all your chosen fruits into consistent, bite-sized pieces, aiming for about 1-inch cubes. This ensures every spoonful is easy to enjoy. Remember to remove any seeds or cores from fruits like apples or pears for a smooth texture. With your fruits prepped, it's time to mix. Place all the colorful fruit pieces into a large bowl. In a separate, smaller bowl, combine your 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt with 2 tablespoons of honey or maple syrup. Whisk this until smooth. Then, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Finally, pour this creamy dressing over the fruit and gently toss to ensure every piece is lightly coated. Your delicious fruit salad with Greek yogurt is now ready to enjoy. For the best experience, serve it immediately. If you like, add a garnish of fresh mint leaves or a sprinkle of chopped almonds for extra crunch. Any leftovers should be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator. This salad is best enjoyed within 2 to 3 days to maintain its freshness and vibrant flavors. Enjoy your healthy creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.